A very good evening to all you lovely ladies on the screen. I would request you all to start your video so that I could see some glamorous faces on the screen. Great. A digital hi to everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. And of course, congratulations for making it till here, for making sure that, you made it through the journey and you made it with glamorous and of course, stunning performances that you gave. So all the best. This starts your new journey. Now you take up the responsibility of representing yourself as an FCR winner, as an FCR achiever. So, a big hearty welcome to all of you. And I'm sure, we're going to pull off a great show. This kickstarts your specialized trainings with a very special set of experts from different profiles, जो आपको individual attention के साथ train करेंगे, and they will be making sure that now you end up also performing, like a winner for that matter. बन तो गए हो, but performance अभी भी, improve करनी बाकी है, because there is no looking back from here. So, now I would request our director of Forever Star India, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, the OG lady, to take over and introduce the panelists on board. Kirti ma'am, over to you. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry. A very good evening to each one of you. Good evening to our, experts on board today. And congratulations, ladies. You have finally made it to the grand finale of Forever Miss India 2021. I'm sure this is just the first step towards discovering your true self. Since the beginning, we have been telling you that you have to be your authentic self. I understand that, the number of candidates in a batch has now reduced to 15 now. So you will only see a few candidates in these sessions. And please make sure that, you do not compare yourself to each other, because time and again, Forever Star India has been telling you that all of you are amazing just the way you are. We just have to keep growing as a community. And Forever Star India is about this community where we are here to motivate each other. We are here to inspire each other. So congratulations once again. And of course, now coming to the introduction of our expert and the man of this show, Forever Miss India 2021, Mr. Utsav Dholakia. Let me just give you a brief about him, that he is one of India's leading fashion choreographer and show director. With a career spanning 26 years now in showbiz, Utsav has worked with the best in both fashion and event industry. Let me just tell you that he has created a unique niche in event choreography, and his creativity has produced wonderful results, which has actually made him the most sought after show director. Along with a few national and various international events, he has actually choreographed London Fashion Week, for which he was also being honored by the Mayor of Kingston upon Thames, London, for his creative work. Welcome on board, Utsav.
Hi guys, how are you? First of all, it's an honor and a great privilege of mine to be with you all. And I would like to thank Team FSIA for giving me this lovely opportunity so that I could be with you all. Ladies, at the same time, I would like you also to be thankful to FSIA team for giving this wonderful platform and this opportunity to you, because you guys are getting all the professional advice, all the professional help, all the professional guidance on a single platter delivered to your home. आपको खाली खाना खाना है, थाली परोस दी गई है आपको, अभी आप उतना तो कर ही सकते हैं आप, right? Now, also at the same time, I'm looking forward to see you in person on the D-Day, that is the 3rd week of July at Marriott Jaipur. In the meantime, I would request you to note down all the tips given by all the professionals, right? Make notes, follow all the tips religiously, buy a pair of heels from right now on so you are comfortable on the day of the show. Start practicing your walk at your place. Follow every advice given to you religiously. Be on time. Be good kids, and make sure you give your best attempt and put your best foot forward. Right? I would like to sign off and hand over the honors to Shailaja ji. She will take over from me, and I am still keeping a watch on you. And I'll see you at the end of the lecture. See you, ladies. Bye.
Thank you so much, Utsav. The girls look already so pepped up. It's easy for me to take on from here. Thank you so much. I will take care now. Thank you. So I'm taking a glance at all the gorgeous, gorgeous winners. So Jasmine, Simran, Jenny, and Krutika, Sana, Smidha, Dr. Debushi, and Ashi, right? Manasi, Hemlata, and Sabita. So I am so happy to be with all of you. Today is very special. It is different than how I have been before for the grooming sessions, because today I am amongst the queens. All of you need to pat your back literally and tell yourself, good job done. You know, so many months you have put into preparing for the pageantry. Then you took on the pageantry, all the tasks that were given by FSIA to check your mettle, to check how capable you are. And there was so much of confidence, you know, exuded by you during the all the tasks that you did so beautifully. You withstood the competition. All the other girls were wonderful, but you were a wee bit better than all of them. Why were you all better? Because of your hard work, your consistency, and your capacity to change your dream into reality, right? So I congratulate all of you who are here with me today in this forum as queens, because you are no longer participants of a beauty pageant. You are all celebrities. You are all brand ambassadors of FSIA. You are their creation. And it is such a delight for me to see all of you smiling to me and believing that you are all queens. So heartiest congratulations. Now the pageant is over. You know, अब मैंने आपको क्या सिखाना है? What else do you think I'm going to groom you about? कौन बताएगा मुझे before I get started? Let's warm up a little. कोई भी, anyone? Simran, Jenny, Jasmine, कोई भी बताओ मुझे. Smidha, would you like to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Polishing.
Hanji. I'll take after Smidha. Yes, Smidha.
Ma'am, mistakes to be avoided
For?
for the finals.
Okay. All right. That was a very pinpointer that you gave me. Somebody else was also saying.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit polishing.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yeah, ma'am. I think there is like no such thing that we have learned enough. We always are in a process to learn more and more. So as you guys are more experienced, so you know, we want to know more. What do we have to learn now? So that's the question we have.
Great, Simran. So I am so happy that you're all forthright. You're all listening to me. This was basically a question to get all your attention towards me. And I now know that you're all listening to me. So I'm happy. And yes, today's special session is basically to groom you about how you have to now turn yourself from being the participant to becoming an achiever and believing in yourself that you are celebrities. Because when you're coming to us at Jaipur on the 17th onwards, you are coming there not as participants, you're coming there as achievers, as celebrities. So now I'm going to teach you tips on how you are going to transform yourself in coming weeks so that when you come there, you walk in the arena like a celebrity. Okay? With that whiff of confidence and the aura of positivity and, you know, looking like, hey, I have arrived. Okay? With that aura. So the first tip that is coming to you for becoming a celebrity, what are the things that you need to keep in mind? The first thing that I'm going to tell you is bring a mental shift in your mind. First, believe in your own victory. Believe that you have put in a lot of hard work and you deserved every bit of what you have achieved as a queen. जब तक हम खुद ही विश्वास नहीं करते, हमारे आसपास कोई हमारे achievements पे believe नहीं करता. Right? So first, believe in yourself that yes, you are an achiever. जैसे ही आप अपने आप को एक achiever बोलते हैं, अंदर से एक लहर दौड़ पड़ती है. आप positive feel करते हैं. आपको लगता है you can take on life, you can take on more. ऐसा लगता है ना? So believe in yourself, because only if you believe, then others will also believe. And you don't know जिन्होंने आपकी ये journey witness करी है, कितनों को आपने inspire किया है, आपके friends, आपके cousins, आपके relatives, जो आपके साथ रहते हैं around in your neighborhood. So many girls would have looked at you and said, wow, I want to take this journey. It's so beautiful. And I'm so happy with what she has accomplished. मुझे भी ऐसा करना है. So you're already so inspirational, right? So believe in yourself, bring that mind shift. From today onwards, right after my session, start telling yourself, I'm worth it. I've achieved it with my hard work, right? Now, the second thing that is most important, take it on your notepad. You have to come there very well groomed and dressed. All right? So how do you look well groomed? जब हमारी पूरी outer appearance को हम अच्छे से तैयार करते हैं, तराश लेते हैं. आपके पास कुछ weeks हैं, they are enough for you to groom yourself well. So look after your hair, the texture of your hair. अच्छे से massage कीजिए, oiling कीजिए, spa करिए. Take care of your hair. Skin, pamper it. There are so many home remedies you can do, right? Pamper your skin. Get into a fitness regime. बहुत हमारे capable mentors हैं और भी जो आपको बहुत guide करने वाले हैं, how to stay mentally positive and how to follow a certain diet. तो वो diet religiously follow कीजिए. Exercise from today onwards. Exercise and bring it in routine so that when the time comes for the finale, you are looking toned and fit. And जब हम अपना manicure and pedicure भी कीजिए आप, अच्छे से अपना nails को, cuticles को, look after yourself well. Because जब आप एक package लगेंगे बाहर से, अंदर से तो आप achievers हैं ही, you have already achieved, right? From the outside also, you have to look like an achiever. How will you do that? When you look groomed, when it seems as if you've taken care to look a certain type. So lag jao is kaam pe. Start working on yourself. It will increase your level of confidence because we all know how we look and where we stand. And the day you start feeling beautiful inside out, your confidence levels goes 10 times higher. And that is exactly why we need to groom ourselves. Not to please others, not at all. Only to build in that self-worth. Only to build confidence in ourselves. खुद को खुश करने के लिए, खुद में आत्मविश्वास जगाने के लिए कि हाँ, मैं बहुत खूबसूरती से लोगों के अंदर जा सकती हूँ, उनको मिल सकती हूँ, confidently deal कर सकती हूँ. Sorry. Second is, you have to be well dressed. So जो भी आपको guidelines मिलेंगी वहाँ आने से पहले, all the outfits that you have to prepare, please prepare it well. उसको accessorize कीजिए. आप किसके साथ मैचिंग क्या ज्वेलरी पहन सकते हैं, क्या आप हेयर स्टाइल बना सकते हैं, किस तरीके की हील पहन सकते हैं. All that has to be matched. So when you come there for those 4 days, come very well prepared. Next very important aspect is कि जब आप वहां आए तब आपका व्यवहार कैसा होना चाहिए. How should be your behavior? You have to come there like a celebrity. So how are celebrities? They're very even toned. Okay, they don't stick to single set of group and only talk with them. They are there for the masses. So you have to behave like that. सबके लिए हो आप, right? And that is one golden opportunity जहां आपको खुद से जाके अपने आप को introduce करना है लोगों में और बताना है कि hello everyone, I'm Jasmine. I'm the winner of such and such city. I'm Simran. I'm the winner of such and such city. I'm Jenny. I'm the winner of such and such city. It's such a delight to introduce yourself. Every time you introduce yourself, you feel like a celebrity. So don't lose that opportunity. आप organizers से मिलें, जरूर personalize मिलें. अभी तो सब online था. You have an opportunity to thank them for this beautiful pedestal that they've given you. You must interact with them. You must meet the mentors who have been through your journey of success, right? All the co-awardees जो वहाँ आएंगे, आपके बाकी जो award winners होंगे, वो भी वहाँ होंगे. सबके साथ मिलिए. एक अच्छा ऑरा बनाइए. पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए आपके आसपास. ठीक है, कोई बैकबाइटिंग नहीं, कोई बिकरिंग नहीं, कोई बैकलैशिंग नहीं. बहुत अच्छा ऑरा होना चाहिए. सबके साथ मिलें, सबके साथ रहें एंड जो शेड्यूल है उसमें बहुत अच्छे से फिट इन होते जाएं. राइट? तीसरी बात जो आपको देखनी है वो है मैनरिज्म्स. आपका व्यवहार कैसा है एंड योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस. कभी कभी हम अंदर से बहुत खुश होते हैं पर बाहर से हम दिखा नहीं पाते. तो ये बहुत एक डाइकोटमी होती है. तो जो आप अंदर से हैं आपको बाहर से वो दिखना चाहिए. राइट? सो एक सेलिब्रिटी जो है वो बाहर से हमेशा बहुत पॉजिटिव ऑरा ही लेकर आते हैं. वो पॉजिटिव ऑरा कैसे क्रिएट होता है, कैसे क्रिएट होगा वो पॉजिटिव ऑरा? देवीश्री, वुड यू लाइक टू आंसर? कैसे हम एक फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस चेंज करके एक प्लेजेंट ऑरा क्रिएट कर सकते हैं?
मैम पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग लाना है अपने मन में.
बिल्कुल. फिर हम उसको फेस पे कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे?
Smile.
अपने स्माइल से।
परफेक्ट. ओ यस, मानसी भी कुछ कहना चाह रही है. मानसी, आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
By a smile.
वेरी गुड. सना, आप क्या कहोगे?
I
ठीक है.
also think like a smile on the face is like the best way to show positivity to others.
Who is that? Absolutely. Any other attribute? Aishi, आप बताएंगे? Would you like to tell me, Aishi?
Ma'am, can you please repeat? My network is not that good.
No. मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही थी, Aishi, that how are you going to create positive aura through your facial expressions? What
Ma'am,
all?
I smile.
Okay. चलो, that one एक चीज क्लियर है कि everybody knows कि जब आप स्माइल करते हैं आपके ऑरा खुद पॉजिटिव हो जाता है, right? It is perfect. यही तो करना है. This is exactly what you have to do. So when you are there, check your mannerisms. Okay? आप किस तरह उठ रहे हैं, बैठ रहे हैं, किस तरह बात कर रहे हैं. बहुत ज्यादा हाथ मत हिलाइए, पैर मत हिलाइए, है ना? अगर कोई आपसे बात कर रहा है उसकी बात मत काटिए. Let them finish. So these are basic courtesies, basic mannerisms that you must have. Always have that at the back of your mind. You are a celebrity. Okay, everybody's watching you. There are going to be so many cameras there. People are recording you every now and then. So you have to be in your best behavior, right? Uske baad facial expression. Yes, smile is such a brilliant tool to lighten up the mood, to crack a friendship, to switch a bond, right? And to give that positivity to the environment. So keep that smile on. और वो genuine होनी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि वो plastic smile जो आती है फिर drop हो जाती है, फिर आती है फिर drop हो जाती है. It has to be consistent. वो consistent कैसी होगी? जब आप अंदर से खुश हैं. And you all should be. I mean, you're all achievers. आप वहाँ पे felicitation के लिए आ रहे हैं. इससे ज़्यादा exciting क्या हो सकता है? I'm sure आप सबके लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ी opportunity है. It's a dream come true for all of you. So work for it. Right? So keep your mannerisms and your pleasantries and facial expressions absolutely smooth, like how celebrities have it. Then come very well prepared about FSIA. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि FSIA ने पहले क्या events किए हैं. आप जो इस event के लिए आ रहे हैं उसका क्या मकसद है, उसमें क्या क्या events हैं आपके felicitation के अलावा, आगे आने वाले महीनों में और उन्होंने क्या प्लान किया हुआ है. You should know it. What if कि आपके पास कोई मीडिया पर्सनालिटी आ जाए और आपसे कुछ पूछ ले और आप बोल ना पाओ, तो आपका होमवर्क पूरा होना चाहिए. You are brand ambassador of FSIA. They have created you, right? So you must speak very well about FSIA. You should owe big time to FSIA because they have given you this huge platform, right? So this is my second tip to you. And lastly, जो भी आप पहने, good outfits, stilettos, accessories, hairstyling, don't forget to do a little bit of makeup. Because when you do a little bit of makeup, it just completes the look. I'm not saying that you put false lashes, lenses, and glitter and shimmer. No. I'm just saying a little bit of BB cream, a liner, a lip balm, and a little bit of blush tint. That's all. उससे क्या होता है? अगर जैसे I'm meeting you for the first time, obviously I'm noticing everything in you. What footwear you're wearing, what outfit you're wearing, how have you dressed your hair. And अगर आपने मेकअप किया हुआ है तो मुझे लगता है कि you have taken efforts to get ready. उसका मतलब होता है आप यहाँ आए हैं, ये आपके लिए मैंने रखता है. It means something to you that you've come for this felicitation. You've come prepared. So people start taking you formally and more seriously. Okay, so it creates a good impression in the minds of others. For those who don't do makeup, थोड़ी सी आदत डालिए. Get used to it ताकि वहाँ पे आपको uncomfortable ना लगे. Right? Now I'm coming to the second aspect of being a celebrity. That is your ramp walk. आपकी crowning ramp walk पे ही होनी है, ramp पे होनी है, stage पे होनी है, right? It is so important. And how is it different than a pageantry walk? Celebrity walk ऐसी होती है जो एक attention command करती है. आप सोचिए कोई भी celebrity को अपने दिमाग में बिठाइए, चाहे वो politician है, चाहे वो naturalist है, चाहे वो film star है, या वो author है, या जो भी है वो, जब वो stage पर आते हैं तो लोग उनको देखते हैं. Am I right or wrong? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah. So क्यों होता है? Because उनकी personality ऐसी होती है. उसकी personality में 4 चीजें बहुत जरूरी हैं जो आपने अब create करनी है अपने अंदर. You have to look self-assured. अपने आप में पूरा आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए, आप कॉन्फिडेंट होने चाहिए खुद को लेकर, आपकी हर चीज डेलिबरेट होनी चाहिए और आप ओवरऑल चार्मिंग लगने चाहिए. Okay, just imagine the stars and the sprinkling all around when you walk, right? That kind of an aura you have to walk. भाई आप celebrity हैं, right? So वो कैसे होगा? How are you going to do it? I will tell you. I am sharing this very elaborate 5 minutes video with all of you. Very soon is going to share it with you. उसमें फर्स्ट पार्ट में मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है कि आपने टी पोजीशन, जब आप हेड रैम्प पे आएंगे, आपने जो फर्स्ट चांस लेना है वो कैसे खड़े होना है, कैसे आपने टर्न करना है और वॉक करना है. एवरी टाइम दैट यू हैव टू टर्न, कौन से पैर पे वजन आता है वो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. उसको देखो, उसको इमिटेट करो, ठीक है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पोर्शन में मैं 3 वॉक करके आपको दिखाई है. एक एथनिक है, एक स्लो पेस्ड वॉक है और एक फास्ट पेस्ड वॉक, ठीक है, म्यूजिक से रिलेटेड. आप वो देखेंगे. पॉस्चर कैसे होना चाहिए, पॉस्चर जो है आपका एस शेप आना चाहिए. एस इज द मोस्ट डिजायरेबल शेप, डोंट यू थिंक? It has got so many curves, this letter S. Okay, so you associate the shape of a woman with S. Okay, and how do you create S with your body? जैसे ही आप अपने shoulders पीछे खींच लेते हैं, आपका stomach अंदर suck in हो जाता है और आपका जो legs हैं वो stretched out होती हैं. तो आप शीशे में प्रोफाइल में खड़े होकर देखिए कितना डिजायरेबल लगता है. आप अपने हाइट से 2 इंच लंबे लगते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, सो इस पोजीशन में आपने रैंप वॉक की वो वीडियोस देख के प्रैक्टिस करनी है. और लास्ट में मैंने 2 वीडियोस डाले हैं जिसमें यू आर एसिंग लाइक अ प्रो. सेलिब्रिटी वॉक है 2, ठीक है. तो आपने ये बार बार वीडियो देखना है और उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है, बिकॉज सो मच ऑफ ट्रेनिंग हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन इनटू यू. अब आप सबको पता है बेसिक एंटीक्स ऑफ रैंप वॉक, यू ऑल नो इट, ठीक है. अब आप ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड इसको परफेक्ट करेंगे. और जब मैं नेक्स्ट अब आपको कुछ दिनों के बाद मिलूंगी, आप सब ने मुझे रैंप वॉक करके दिखाना है एंड आई वुड बी सो हैप्पी टू टेल ऑल ऑफ यू वेल डन. आई डोंट वांट कि मैं किसी को भी उस टाइम पे टिप्स दूं. मैं चाहूं कि आप इतनी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस करें कि आप सब परफेक्ट कर लें, सो दैट व्हेन यू कम फॉर द इवेंट देयर, हमने आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि ये स्टेज है, आप यहाँ से आ रहे हैं, आपने यहाँ खड़े होना है एंड यू से वी नो इट ऑल. दैट इज द एटीट्यूड ऑफ अ सेलिब्रिटी. Right? So practice, practice, practice. That is the only thing that makes anybody perfect. All right? So I have told you, your hand and leg movement have to be in accordance to the music. जिस तरीके का म्यूजिक बज रहा है उस पेस पे आप वॉक करेंगे. हाथ किसी का लेफ्ट ज्यादा चला जाता है बाहर, किसी का राइट चला जाता है. खुद की वीडियोस बनाइए, खुद को क्रिटिकली देखिए, ठीक है. ऐसे देखिए कि आप ये नहीं है, ये कोई और है, और उसको आप एनालाइज कर रहे हैं और खुद के करेक्शंस को करेक्ट करिए. हमसे, हमारे से बड़ा कोई क्रिटिक नहीं होता. वी ऑल नो इट. करेक्ट योरसेल्फ. ओके, सो दिस इज माय नेक्स्ट टिप. हैव अ रिदम इन योर वॉक. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू कम ऑन द स्टेज, अगेन द मैजिक ऑफ स्माइल, कीप इट ऑन. Okay, and a genuine one, not a plastered one, but a genuine one, and a pageant smile. You all know what a pageant smile is. Upper portion of your teeth are visible and your lips are curling from sides, है ना? Pageant walk. Smile के साथ आइए, सामने आके फ्रंट पे क्वीन की तरह खड़े होइए. पोजेस वाला वीडियो भी मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, उसमें से जो आपको अच्छे लगे 3 पोजेस मेमोराइज कर लीजिए और इमेजिन करिए आंख बंद करके कि ऐसे मैं खड़ी होंगी लाइक अ क्वीन एंड मेरे ऊपर ऐसे क्राउन पहनाया जाएगा. एंड उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू स्माइल एंड यू हैव टू टर्न फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड राइट टू लेफ्ट टू द ऑडियंस. क्यों? बिकॉज सब आपको क्लैप कर रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू ग्रीट देम, यू हैव टू रिगार्ड ऑल दैट, राइट? यू कांट स्टार्ट सेइंग थैंक यू टू देम एंड नो blowing kisses, not at all. Okay, so you have to just smile and sway your head left to right and thank them, and then take a turn and then go back, right? So ये चीजें आपका homework है. You are going to do it well, and when I see it next time, I just want to say thumbs up to all the walks. इतना अच्छा आप practice कीजिए. All right? Most important, heels. आपको जैसे उत्सव ने बताया, it is so important. Ramp walk एक अच्छी heel के बिना हो ही नहीं सकती. आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हैं ड्रेस के साथ, मेकअप के साथ, लेकिन आप हील के साथ नहीं कर सकते. सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, बाय गुड हील्स. एंड व्हेन आई से हील्स, इट मींस स्टिलेटोस, पतली हील वाला, 3 inches to 5 inches. No wedge heels, no block. क्योंकि जितना चौड़ा हील होता है, जब आप टर्न करते हैं वो उतनी अटकती है, स्मूथ टर्न नहीं हो पाता. सो कोशिश मत करें कि ये पहने. आप ब्लैक या न्यूड कलर की खरीदें, बिकॉज हर ड्रेस के साथ ये मैच करती है. एंड यू विल बाय एटलीस्ट 3 to 5 inches ऑफ हील्स. और इसी में आप अपनी रैंप वॉक की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उसको संभाल के रखेंगे ताकि आपके फिनाले तक वो चले, क्योंकि आपको उसको पहनने की आदत है. यू विल बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट वॉकिंग ऑन द फिनाले इन दो सेम सेट ऑफ हील्स. सो आप नई हील तो बिल्कुल मत लेकर आए, बिकॉज नई हील में आपका सारा कॉन्फिडेंस, आपकी सारी तैयारी रैंप वॉक की खराब हो जाएगी, बिकॉज आपका आइडिया नहीं होगा आपको उस हील में वॉक करने का. And 4 days is a very less time to start making you prepare and practice. So all the practice has to be done at your end with the help of the video. If you get stuck somewhere, अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, आप मेरा नाम टाइप करें, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम खुलता है, फेसबुक खुलता है, आप मुझसे अपने डाउट्स क्लियर करिए. If anything else is needed, please reach out to Harry. She will guide me and I will help you out. Okay, I'm always available to guide you, but please practice well. You are all celebrities. Live up to the reputation. Live up to that aura. Remember, I told you the stars? Every time you stand, you walk, you must imagine those twinkling of stars. And when you come on the ramp, you know, you should command respect. People should stop whatever they're doing and look at you and say, wow, she deserves to be the queen. और ये कैसे होगा? जब वो 4 components जो मैंने आपको बताए, वो आप exhibit करेंगे through your walk. Self-assuredness, Atmavishwas, confidence, charm, and what was the 4th one? Deliberate. बहुत जैसे शेर चलता है ना, बहुत deliberation के साथ चीता. Like that, you have to walk. No hurry. Okay, you have to walk as if you rule the stage. So these were the tips from my side. I am splendid, ecstatic seeing all of you here. God bless you all. Continue the hard work. May the journey henceforth be full of new opportunities and a lot of success and sunshine to you. And I love you all. This is all from my side. If you have any further doubts, you can reach out to me. I will clarify it. Okay? All the best and work hard till I meet next and see your ramp walk. And I'm gonna check how are you all looking the next time. Are you looking like celebrities? Okay? So be good, stay safe, and I sign off now. Over to you, Harry.
Thank you so much, Shelda. Like I always say, I can see content, smiling faces across the screen. I'm sure the women are looking forward for more interesting sessions. And that's not it, ladies. We have 3 other special women on board today who will be coming, who will be training to you guys in the coming days, for that matter, from the respective fields with their respective expertise. So to start with, we have Sonu Singh, who's an image consultant and will be taking forward all details about media interactions, your public image. Second, we have Sakshi Shekhar, Urf the Majid Platter, who would be talking about all things dietish, all things diet and nutrition. And of course, making sure that you discard those pizzas ASAP. And last but not the least, we have Smita Ghosh, who is an abundance of positivity and will be talking about the mental health and the right state of mind you need to perform your best. I would request them all to just greet you guys so that, you guys get to know who these trainers are. So over to you, Sonu.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a wonderful evening to all these lovely glowing faces on the screen. Congratulations for being the chosen one, and I'll see you soon to train you, to make you well equipped with how do you face that camera, that media, which is going to buzz and flatter all around you. So all the best to all of you. Please do practice whatever Shalja has told you today, because this is a game changer for you all. Congratulations once again, and have a good evening.
Thank you. Sakshi, over to you.
Hi, everyone. Congratulations from my end, from the bottom of my heart. You all are looking fabulous today. I am going to come soon to you all up close and personal to, help you with your code of conduct in regards with food and coming from your kitchen itself. So be ready and take care of yourself as of now, work upon your immunity, work upon your skin, hair. We are going to talk much in detail. For now, all the very best and take care.
Thank you. And Smita, over to you now.
Good evening, everyone. You all are looking so nice, beautiful, like a winner. Your belief and your hard work has made this. So don't forget this belief in yourself. Always remember, you're the best. Always remind yourself, I am beautiful, I am best. Keep smiling, never stop smiling. Happy people are always beautiful. Remember this. Once again, congratulations, and I'll be seeing you very soon with lots of tips and techniques to have that perfect smile. Bye for now.
Thank you, Smita. And now let's complete the circle and have the man himself, wishing you all a warm goodbye. Utsav, over to you.
Ladies, you guys have done a fantastic job and you are blessed with the best trainers. Once again, I would like to say that. Quick one is you need to take a lot of care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally. Stay fit, stay calm, stay patient. Don't party too hard, sleep on time, don't stay awake late nights. And as far as party is concerned, we all are going to party together in the 3rd week of December at Marriott, Jaipur, right? So don't leave us and chill alone. I'm looking forward to see you and we are going to have a blast. And I'm sure, you're going to do a fabulous job with the best team that you have got. See you. Good evening. Have a great time.
Thank you. Thank you so much to all the trainers here today. It was an absolute honor having all of you. And I'm sure the participants are looking forward to meet you all up close and personal. Thank you. I shall take your leave to have some words with the participants. Thank you so much.